folks, Joomla 1.5 is out, so I'm gonna do a little presentation about Joomla 1.5. Uh, Joomla has like a front end and the back end. This is the front end that you can see. Uh, J- Joomla is usually divided into the banner. Then this is the part where you post the menu, and this is the part, for example, user one part. And this is the center content. This is the left part of the website where you usually post like links, menu links, and this is the right part. I usually post like banners or the latest articles or popular articles, and here's the footer. But uh, the advantage of Joomla is that you can set your site accordingly whatever you want. For example, you can have like you don't need to have like a left side. You can have just the center side and the right side, or the left side and the center and no right. You can add like in footer, you can divide in three parts, for example user 4, user 5, user 6, and post like images, videos in those parts. And basically Joomla is like a pretty solid content management system. Advantage is that you can turn off and turn on the menus. For example, if we go like on this page, you can see that there's no right part of the website, so you can turn off these are so-called modules. Right modules you can turn on and turn off for for particular sites on your website, uh, and that's like very useful. What else can I say? Uh, this is the top menu. Usually you can add and remove the items. It is done from the admin section. You don't need to hard code anything in the code. You just create new menu and the new button pops up. Here you have like, I have like a free blocks, search engine optimization, and each block has like a title and like four links. And this is pay-per-click, and it has like three links: web design 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are like the blog categories, like the blog, like the news articles. And you can view like the all articles, for example. Like this is the last article that I wrote, and you can scroll down, or you can just watch the articles for the particular category. For example, if you're interested in pay-per-click, you just click on pay-per-click, and only the blog articles from the category pay-per-click will show up. That's really perfect. And then there's also a user menu. You have your details. You can submit article, you can submit web link, but usually if I want to add an article, I go to the admin section and just create new article there, because if you submit from front end, you will have like less options. This is checking my items and log out and my comments. And for example, if I log out, you see there's no more admin module. You can see like a login form, and I just log in again, and you can see the user menu again. The real advantage of Joomla is that you can hide the menus, and you can hide the articles, and you can hide the section of your website to like unregistered users, or you can create a special group and show, for example, menus or articles just to that particular group, or usually we have like free groups. The first group of visitors is like unregistered. Uh, then there's like registered users and administrators. That's the owner of the website. And if you have like a friend or co-worker, you can assign him like admin rights, and he has the same rights as you do. But there are like some modules that where you can that can help you to show the content to only particular users. For example, let's go to home, and like I said, this is the user one block. You can call it whatever you want. You can call it top center block, and you just pass this code, and you can then set it up where this block gonna show. I have set it up to show only on home page. And for example, if you go like on this article, on this page inside the search engine optimization menu, you see that that block is not visible anymore because I turned it off. And let's go back to home, and let's just add it here. When you logged in, you can see like there's like a small icon here where you can edit your article. And let's just, if you're not like registered and you don't have rights, you cannot edit. Usually only the admin has the rights to edit the article. So here is like built-in, what you see is what you get, editor, where you can play with alignment, bold font, italic font, stars, format. And it's really easy to add picture. For example, if you want to add picture here, you go here and press image, or you can use the page break. Page break is like margin, some kind of margin that divides the teaser and the rest of the content. So you can have like only the article displayed with the teaser, and when you click on read more, the whole article opens up. There's like AVR media. There's like a special module that where you can add whatever content you want, from Flash, from there's like tons of different content like MP4, MP3, DivX, MPEG. I mean, there must be like 20 different types of media that you can add. And there's like a read more link. And here you set the section. This is like a static page, so I didn't set the category and section. If you have like a blog, you create like a special section for blog, for example, and then the category, like for example, I'm just gonna play a little bit, and then I'm not gonna save this article. For example, if you select the section blog, you can choose whatever category you want to save this article to. And there's like this is really cool idea. If you go to a vacation and you write like 10 articles, you can set each article to show on different date. Like the first one's gonna show pop up is gonna be published today. The second one's gonna be published in 4 days. The third one in 1 week, and etc. And you can also set when the article is gonna go offline. And here you have like a description and the keywords, um, where you set the page description that you can see in the code of the page. That's really important for search engines. Here are the keywords, and as I said, like Joomla is really cool content management system, and it has like, I choose Joomla because it got like many awards, and many of my friends were using Joomla. I also use like Drupal, that I'm gonna do a presentation in another video. That's another good, really good content management system. I use also WordPress and Geeklog. Geeklog was my first content management system. But enough about it. Uh, the second part of this video, I'm gonna present the Joomla 1.5 admin section. So check it out.